Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2008 for 2 marks, and basically this question is based on counter flow heat exchanger and to find the exit temperature of cold fluid with the help of LMTD. Now let us understand the question. The question is a logarithmic mean temperature difference LMTD of counter flow heat exchanger is 20 degrees Celsius. Now my dear students, here they have mentioned that it is a counter flow heat exchanger and LMTD is 20 degrees Celsius. So let us write down here LMTD, log mean temperature difference of counter flow heat exchanger is 20 degrees Celsius, and as it is counter flow heat exchanger, for counter flow heat exchanger let us draw the diagram of temperature profile. Now let us say on left side there is an inlet of hot fluid, that is THI is inlet temperature of hot fluid. From inlet to exit, that is from left to right, the hot fluid will flow, and let us say THO is exit temperature of hot fluid. This will be hot fluid. So my dear students, as hot fluid is flowing from left to right, therefore the cold fluid will flow from right to left as it is counter flow. Therefore the inlet temperature of cold fluid TCI is inlet temperature of cold fluid, which will be on right side, which will be on here right side. And from this TCI to TCO, the cold fluid will flow towards left. Therefore TCO will be exit temperature of cold fluid. Now my dear students, here towards this left, the temperature difference is called delta T1. This temperature difference is delta T1, that is THI minus TCO. And towards right, this temperature difference is called delta T2. Delta T2, THO minus TCI, THO minus TCI. Right. Now my dear students, here LMTD is given 20 degrees Celsius. Right. Then the cold fluid enters at 20 degrees Celsius and the hot fluid enters at 100 degrees Celsius. Therefore, here entry temperature of cold fluid TCI is given, which is something but 20 degrees Celsius, and inlet temperature of hot fluid is also given, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Here you will find entry temperature of cold fluid, entry temperature of hot fluid. Then the mass flow rate of the cold fluid is twice that of hot fluid. Now they have mentioned the mass flow rate of cold fluid is twice that of hot fluid, right? Is mass mc is equal to twice mh. Then specific heat at constant pressure of hot fluid is twice that of cold fluid. Now specific heat at constant pressure of hot fluid is twice that of cold fluid, therefore Cp of cold, therefore Cph is equal to twice Cpc, right? Then the exit temperature of cold fluid, then we have to find exit temperature of cold fluid, that is TCO is equal to question mark. Now options are given. Now my dear students, here cannot be determined is one of the option, but this is not your answer. I am going to explain what is this, right? Now my dear students, let us check here. Now what is LMTD? Now here LMTD is given, and LMTD is nothing but this LMTD, log mean temperature difference, is nothing but delta T1 minus delta T2 divided by ln of delta T1 divided by delta T2, right? Now, and delta T1 is THI minus TCO, right? Delta T1 is nothing but THI minus TCO, and delta T2 is nothing but THO minus TCI, right? This side temperature difference. Therefore, my dear students, I have to find delta T1, delta T2, delta T1, delta T2 to find LMTD. LMTD is given. From this relation, I will get other temperatures. Now let us check here. Now for this heat exchanger, if I write heat transfer between hot and cold fluid, this is equal to, this heat transfer can be written as, if I use hot fluid data, then it will become mCp of hot fluid into temperature difference of hot fluid, that is THI minus THO. And if I write in terms of cold fluid, it will become mCp of cold fluid into temperature difference of cold fluid, that is TCO minus TCI, right? So my dear students, let us check this. Now my dear students, here mass flow rate of hot fluid is mh. Now here this Cp of hot fluid, Cp of hot fluid is twice Cp of cold fluid, therefore it will become into twice Cp of cold into THI minus THO is equal to, now mass flow rate of here this cold fluid is twice mass flow rate of hot fluid, therefore it will become twice mass flow rate of hot fluid into now Cp of cold, Cp of cold, Cp of cold into temperature difference Tco minus Tci. Therefore, my dear students, here from both sides, this 2 times mh Cpc, 2 times mh Cpc will get cancelled, right? Therefore, the resultant equation will become Thi minus Tho is equal to Tco minus Tci. Therefore, can I write it as Thi minus Tco is equal to Tho minus Tci. Therefore, see, this TCO I am considering on left side and this THO on right side. This THI minus TCO, THI minus TCO is delta T1 is equal to this THO minus TCI is delta T2. Therefore, in this case, delta T1 is equal to delta T2, right? So, my dear students, if delta T1 is equal to delta T2, that means MCP product of hot is equal to MCP product of cold. You can see MCP of hot is equal to MCP of cold, right? Therefore, delta T1 becomes equal to delta T2. Therefore, my dear students, in this case, this LMTD, let us check what will happen to the LMTD. If this delta T1 is equal to delta T2, then LMTD will become here, this LMTD is equal to, now my dear students, here delta T1 is equal to delta T2, therefore delta T1 minus delta T2 will become 0, this will become 0, as well as delta T1 divided by delta T2 is 1, ln of 1 is 0, therefore it will become 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form. So my dear students, as per mathematics, let us apply L'Hospital rule. If I apply L'Hospital rule, right, then I will get this LMTD, log mean temperature difference, is equal to delta T1 is equal to delta T2, right? This is our special case. My dear students, generally we remember that whenever MCP of hot fluid is equal to MCP of cold fluid and it is counter flow heat exchanger, it must be counter flow heat exchanger only. Then for equal heat capacity rates, that is MCP of hot is equal to MCP of cold, and for counter flow heat exchanger, LMTD is nothing but delta T1 or equal to delta T2. Therefore, this LMTD is given, LMTD is 20 is equal to delta T1 is nothing but THI minus TCO is equal to delta T2 is THO minus TCI. So let us put here values, whatever may be the unknown, we will find here. Therefore, this 20 will be equal to, now THI is given, THI is 100 and TCI is 20. Therefore, it will become 100 minus TCO is equal to THO minus 20. Therefore, TCO will become, TCO is equal to 80, right? And THO will be equal to 40. But my dear students, here question is to find TCO. They are asking exit temperature of cold fluid. That is, the question is to find TCO, right? Here question is not to find THO. So don't tick for 40. It is answer is 80. The answer is 80, right? But what students will do? LMTD is 0 by 0 form. They will think that LMTD is 20, but it is 0 by 0. Therefore, it is cannot be determined. This is generally answer of students. But you don't know mathematics. In GATE examination, you have mathematics for 15 marks. You must apply here L'Hospital rule. And in theory lectures, I have explained this, right? And we have derived this formula for LMTD by applying L'Hospital rule. You can watch theory lectures, right? So my dear students, here the exit temperature of cold fluid is 80 degrees Celsius. Therefore, answer is option C. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on this topic, which was asked in previous year GATE examination.